go. Yo, what's up, Cypher? Yeah, you are first, bro. Congrats, dude. Yeah.
That's dope.
Let me put my headphones on. It's not showing the clock emoji. Oh, that's interesting. Let me try that. Let me try this. 5 o'clock. 3 o'clock. There it goes. Yeah, that should be the... Do you see the emoji there? Expired? You should see that now. No, it's okay. It's all good. You guys, again, you don't have to be here every single day. Summer camp isn't something that it's like, oh, like Soar, for instance, he's at his aunt's this week, so you guys can come in and out. That's how it's supposed to be. See, how do I scroll to the... Where's Loafers? Yeah, that was me trying to sign in my Discord on my other account, but I didn't. That's when I first created Discord. That guy Emu, yo, what's up, dude? What's up? Good to see you, dude. All right, did you guys have a fun July 4th weekend? Sniff, sniff. Yeah, yeah. I caught a little bit of a cold this weekend. What's up, Mellow, dude? How's your hand doing? Gio did break his phone. Well, I didn't break my phone. I donated it. I donated it to Vegas. Michael, everything hurts. Yeah. Everything does hurt. I'm so glad today is technically a holiday. I've been observing the holiday a lot today. Love the noise you make when you eat. Is this some ASMR? You guys want some ASMR with the chips? Yeah, Michael, are you at work today? Damn, that's brutal. Okay, go. Yeah, some R. Dude, what's RQ? Inspired Cypher. What's RQ? That is true. We definitely got to pay for Vegas somehow. She always gets you, dude. Vegas always wins, is what I say. Vegas always wins. Yeah, we're on the Discord. Yo, Emo, you want to hop in the Discord? It's check out it's discord.actual.education. Yeah, hop in. The Discord's where we organize a lot of the activities and stuff we do. We're doing a summer camp this summer, where you guys can earn some cool prizes and stuff. But yeah, hit up here. I'll type it in for you if you need it. All right, all good. Come and go, dude. It's not a... Does anyone have any fun July 4th stories from this weekend? Besides Michael. I know Michael has a lot of fun stories. I saw him this weekend. Yeah? Okay. What was up, Jack? What happened? IG? LG? Let's go. Yeah, ask me about the fun stories I remember. Not the time I got pushed in the pool, apparently. Oh, cool, Jack. What type of fireworks do you guys do? Like Roman candles? Here in Los Angeles, it's illegal apparently to have fireworks, so they're kind of difficult to get. I grew up in Texas. Texas has tons of fireworks. Texas gives no fucks. It's just like y'all can shoot off whatever you want. But here in California, I don't even know if you can get sparklers. I think I tried to get sparklers one time for Bami's birthday, but you can't even find sparklers. Mm-hmm. Here, let me tell the kids in Team Vietnam that office hours have started. You shoot a cannon? What? That's pretty nuts. Yeah. Like the what do they call, like the cherry bombs and stuff? The ones that like they go poosh and then they go pow. You put them in, like, I think it's like a ball. You put in like a tube, right? And then you light it and then it pops off out of the tube. Oh shit. Oh no, that's not good. So wait, did it just like blow up on the ground? But I didn't meet Kygo. Well, I mean, I did see I saw Kygo at the day club. I just didn't meet him that night at the nightclub. I hope Expired Cipher, enough people were far enough away from that firework going off that, you know, 'cause those things are definitely supposed to explode in the air. If they explode on the ground, bad things happen. Okay, I'll give people 2 more minutes and then we'll start doing some math and shit. Let's see. We had a couple people do the weekly challenge I posted early on Monday. So who all did that? Let's see. Oh shit. I hope your grandparents are okay then, dude. That's kind of nuts. Yeah, that's you got to be careful. You might end up giving them a heart attack doing that. Yeah. Hop in the Discord chat, dude. And here I'll share my screen. Where is share my screen? Share my screen. Yeah, let's go live there. There we go. Nice. All right, cool. I see Expired. I see Jack. Expired. You did the weekly challenge, I think. I'm pretty sure you did. Yeah, Young Foof did it. Official Nick did it. I don't know if Rotneck did it. Yeah, you did. Yeah, good job, Expired. Yeah. You gotta join my Patreon. Yeah, that or my OnlyFans, dude. I gotta ask you, Michael, what photo people are talking about with me and Josh being bumping brothers. I'm curious what photo that is. Because I went through the photos. I didn't see any bumping brother stuff. It's a video. Where is this video, dude? Is it not on the shared album? Oh, my God. You guys got to stop. Oh, no. Okay, well. Cool. Yeah, Michael, don't do that, please. Yeah, Patreon members only. Okay. Nice. All right, let's see. Let me go to my office hours chat so I can look at it. Okay, cool. All right. All right. Welcome, everyone, to Office Hours. This week, well, first I'll start off. Is anyone in like summer school or taking any like math or science classes over the summer? I know some people are. But is anyone in the chat doing it right now? You bought me. I know you're in summer camp. I have summer school. I'm taking actual education. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Nice, dude. Yeah, that's right. You are taking education. Yeah, that's dope. Oh, actually, yeah. Bombing Boy, you are taking a couple courses. You're taking your stats classes and stuff for your MBA, right? How's that stats class started going? Ooh, the T-test. Okay, cool. Well, if you have any questions about the T-test or the Z-test or anything in stats, feel free to ask about it. But if anyone doesn't have, or here's another question. Anybody who's watching, did you go over something in your math or science class during the school year that like you didn't totally get? That was kind of like a little confusing, or like your teacher didn't explain it, or like maybe you just you just forgot or something. You're just like, I don't really remember that. If you have something like that and you ask it, you get an extra bond coin for asking a question. Okay, cool. Yeah, dude. If you got a topic, Bummy Boy, bring it up. Or Expired Cypher's typing. Expired Cypher's got something. Oh, what's he got? Yes, I can explain conditional probability. I was typing, then I forgot what I was gonna say. All right, Expired. Well, let us know if you remember it. Michael, what's your science question? Can you get COVID from Vegas pool water? I don't think so, actually, because so COVID is actually kind of a pretty weak virus. It's not very hardy. Like it dies pretty quickly. I don't think. Yeah, but you definitely shouldn't be ingesting any Vegas pool water. It's not a very good idea. I zoned out and zoned back in when you said you get bond coins from asking questions. Yes, Expired Cipher. Yeah. Yeah. That's you do. Expired. Do you have any question about anything in math or science that you went over during the school year that was like maybe confusing? Why did my dad leave? Oh my god, Expired, dude. Unfortunately, that's not a math or science question. I maybe a math question, in terms of alimony or something. But hey, what's up, Nick? Good to see you, dude. All right. Well, if no one's got any questions, we'll go over Bomby Boy's question, which was having to do with conditional probability. Okay. Does anyone have any idea what conditional probability means? Yes. Oh, yeah. Official Nick. Yes, you cuz you played a game? You played a game with Okay, yeah, I'll see you, Jack. Yes, yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I remember you played one. Did anybody else? Yeah, this is a good question. Does anybody else want to claim their one bond coin for playing a Warzone match with another member of your team last week? Now is the time to do it. I got to total the points actually too. Camp counselors did pretty well this week. We I think we got 45,990, whereas Team Vietnam had 48,000. So it was actually kind of a close match. Close. Yeah, Nick, you played this game, and Spectre Vader played one in Seaweed and not on Soar. Also, congrats to all the people who completed the gym class touch grass challenge this week. Yes. Yeah. Well, did you play a game last week? What's your 1 sec? I have your COD tags. I need to. I just need to just pull it up. Let me just do that real quick. I should always have this open. Expired cipher. Your name is Marcos. Oh, is COVID? Okay? So expired. Did you post a match this last week in the scoreboard? Nah, it's good to see you, Raiden. The blame sore movement. Oh, okay. All good. Well, okay. So expired. Yeah, we give out an extra bond coin if you play any sort of Warzone match with another member of your team during the week. Raiden, you did. I know you did. Yeah. So here, let me give you a coin for that. Yeah, I saw you post one. Oh wait, I gotta add. Sorry, I gotta add it. Not. There we go. Raiden's one of our most recent graduates, so he got 10 bond coins this season, which when you do that, you get a reward, such as like a $10 gift card or $1,100 COD points. Expired. I'll give you your coin. I do attendance coins after this because I have to go through the chat logs and it'll tell me like who wrote the here in. Yeah. About to storm. Raiden, where are you that it's about to storm? Oh, Florida, dude. Oh, damn. Yeah, Florida's been on the news a lot recently. You guys have had the whole that building collapsing, bunch of stuff. Crazy times in Florida. Lol. No, you can't do that. You can't do that, Cypher. Oh man. Okay. Nothing is impossible. Yeah, no, you're right. Nothing is impossible. But okay. Let's see. What aspect? What's up? Nothing is. Those are your grandfather's last words, dude. Cypher, you got some heavy statements today, dude. Okay. So Bombing Boy asked about like what conditional probability is. Does anyone have an idea what conditional probability means? Like, you can kind of look at the words actually, right? Conditional and probability. What does it mean for something to be conditional? Dark aspects thinking. Yeah, conditional. What if your mom says, you can play Warzone this weekend, but there's some conditions, right? Yeah, Michael. No one's talking in the Discord yet. Everyone's shy. It's okay. They don't have to say things. But conditional. Let's think, guys. What does it mean for something to be conditional? You're not shy. Well, Cypher, you could talk. Here's Cypher. I'll give you a special treat here, dude. Okay, because I know you didn't get a bond coin for playing Warzone with people, but if you unmute your mic and you interact with this, I'll give you a bond coin, an extra bond coin for doing that. We'll give you extra credit for that. Yeah.
Gold really have gold?
Yes, dude. There you go. There we go. There he is. What's up, Mango?
Rapper?
How did your audition with the Discovery Channel go?
Scam.
Scam? It was a scam. What do you mean it was a scam? What happened, dude?
It wasn't for the Discovery.
Oh, really? They faked you out?
An audition for a film school that wanted me to pay $2,000.
Oh, no,
some
dude.
makeup.
Ew. No, ew. That's not good. Oh, man. I'm sorry, Mango. I thought, well, you know, I thought, yeah, you they do. Yeah, Raiden, they do get a bond coin, but they have to claim it here. They have to, they have to say, hey, I played with him. You have to show up to office hours the next week in order to claim the bond coin. Claim. No, you can't do the daily.
So I can get a bond coin.
Yeah, dude, Mango, did you type in exclamation point here in the chat? Did you type in exclamation point here in the chat or the Twitch stream?
Not in Twitch, but I can.
Yeah. So just type in exclamation point here, and that way it counts your attendance, and you get a bond coin for just showing up. Expired cipher. At least you tried, dude. At least you tried.
My sensei is streaming right now.
Your sensei is streaming?
Yes.
That's cool.
Gaming.
Is he like he's like a karate sensei or something?
No, my gaming sensei.
Oh, your gaming sensei. Oh, that's cool. Nice.
I think he teaches me the way of the gaming.
What games is he playing? Is he trying to show you the way?
Hi.
Okay. We'll go real quickly off of what conditional probability is. Conditional probability is probability that's based on conditions, which means it's the probability of something happening given that something else has happened, is what we say. So we say, like, this is the probability of something happening given that something else has already happened. Okay. So, the way how probability works. Probability is it's technically a math class, but a lot of times it's not taught exactly like a math class because it has to do with a lot of like real world events and stuff happening. But we're gonna use a lot of math symbols and stuff in order to still do probability. Okay. So when we want to say the probability of something happening, okay, so let's say we have an event, okay? An event is something that just occurs, right? Let's say the event is rolling a 3 or a 4 on a single on a die, right? On a single dice, okay? This is an example of an event. We could call this, for instance, let's call this like event A, okay? So if we wanted to know what's the probability of taking a single die, right? Like dice are two things, but we have a single one, die, and rolling a 3 or a 4, we would write that as this. P, and then they put the A down here. It's like a little subscript. Or actually, we're going to say something like this. Probability of event A. We're going to put a parentheses, actually. Let's do it this way. Is equal to some value, which is the probability of something happening. Okay? Probability of something happening is usually the number of ways something can happen divided by the number of ways anything could happen. Okay? So if I'm rolling a die, how many different numbers could pop up? You know, what are all the possible numbers that could pop up? Dad gets caught cheating. We can do that, dude. We'll do that. Maybe we'll help you explain why your dad left. But yes, good bombing boy. Bombing Boy said yes. There are 6 different numbers they can roll, right? So probability is the number of specific events divided by the number of like total events. This is like total events possible. This is a number of specific. Okay. So good. So Bombing Boy said, well, okay. All the different ways, all the different numbers I could get on a die, there could be 6 of them, right? So that's the total number of events that are possible. Okay, good. So then the next question is, okay, but for event A, rolling a 3 or a 4, how many different ways can I roll a 3 or a 4? So it turns out there's only 2 ways, right, to roll a 3 or a 4. You can either roll a 3 or you could roll a 4. So this would be 2. So you have 2 divided by 6, which is going to equal 1/3. So that's the probability of event A, where we called event A rolling a 3 or a 4 on a die. Okay? So now let's say, let's go into another example, another type of probability thing here, which is Expired Cipher was saying what he wants to do with divorce and dad gets caught cheating. Okay, well let's look at, for instance, so let's define 2 events here. Okay, let's have event A be the getting a divorce. Okay, that's the event A. So, and we're going to give a probability of that. We're going to say P of A, okay? Does anybody know what the probability of divorce is in America? It's actually probably pretty bad. I think it is. Let's see. Divorce. 69%. Oh, actually not that bad. I thought it was higher. Okay, it's 42 to 45%. I thought, yeah, dude, Michael, I thought it was over 50. Apparently it's 42 to 45. I guess maybe also there's like within a certain amount of time, right? If it's like within the first 5 years, first 10 years or something. People aren't updating their LinkedIn's. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's say the probability of divorce is equal to 45%, okay? Now, whenever we're dealing with probabilities and whatnot, we can't use percentages. We have to use decimals. And do people remember how to convert from a percentage to a decimal? So the way to do it, right, is take wherever the decimal would be, right? The decimal would be here. 45% means the decimal would be here, and you move it 2 to the left. So this is going to equal 0.45. Yeah, there you go, Mango. Nice. Good to see you, Mango, dude. You figured it out. Good. Or divide by 100. Yeah, that's a good, another. Yeah, no, that's right too. Yeah, you can also just divide it by 100. That works as well. Okay. All right. So the probability of divorce is 0.45. Okay. So now let's look at like event B. Okay. Which is going to be dad cheating. Expired Cipher. We're gonna figure out, dude. We're gonna figure out why your dad left you. Okay. Dad cheated. So let's look at the probability of dad cheating. So probability of what would it be? Husband cheating, U.S. Infidelity statistics. Cool. Let's see this. 55% of men admit to cheating. Wow. Okay, that's high. All right, fine. So we're going to call that event B. This is equal to 55%. They just exercise their options. Oh, man, dude. Lamau, dude. Okay. All right, so now what we have to do is conditional probability means we need to know what's the probability of these 2 events both happening at the same time. Okay. Okay. So let's say we want to figure out what is the probability 101%. Yeah, no, you don't add them up. You don't add them up. Yeah, it's a little different. Given that dad cheated. Okay. So the way they write this is they write this as the probability of event A happening given that B already happened. Okay. Okay, and then let's go over some other things here. Okay, so if the probability that dad cheated is 55%, the probability that he didn't cheat would be how much? Close. You're getting there. You're getting there, Cypher. You're getting there. You're getting there. So remember, in probability, everything has to add up to 100%. So good, Bombing Boy. Yeah. If there's a 55% chance that he cheated, that means there has to be the other bit, which is 45% chance that he didn't cheat. Okay. So this is gonna be 0.45. And actually, I'm gonna change this number real quick here, just so that we're not dealing with the same numbers, because then you guys are gonna get confused. So let's make this 42%, or this is equal to 0.42. Okay. So then what would be the probability of not getting a divorce? Good, 58%. Yeah, very good. So that would be 58%, which we're going to say is 0.58. Okay. Okay. All right. Right. Okay. So conditional probability, again, probability that a divorce would happen given that you already know dad cheated is going to be equal to this. The probability of A and B happening, okay, divided by the probability of just B happening. Okay? And then let's see. I think I have to give you one more bit of information to do this. Right. Okay. Yep. But there's one more bit of information that you have to get in order to do this, is that we have to give you this. We have to tell you what's the probability of A and B happening. So what's the probability of getting divorced and dad also cheating? Just happening at the same time. And so let's see Let's see if we can find that information real quick. Okay, so this is kind of what we want. 20 to 40% are caused by cheating. Okay, so let's take the median of that. Let's just say it's 30%. Okay, so then let's give one more bit of information here that you need. No, yeah, no, you can't because Bonnie Boy, yeah. So yeah, you're asking, does the probability of A and B equal the probability of A times the probability of B? It does if they're independent, okay? Which means if cheating and getting a divorce are not related, okay? The issue here is that they're not independent events because whether you cheat is going to have an effect on whether a divorce happens and whatnot. So this bit of information actually has to be given to you. This is why condition, because otherwise this would just end up being probability of A times probability of B, right? Which these would just cancel, and you would just get the probability of just A just happening. So this is actually a cool thing. Actually, this is good you bring this up. This is how you can measure independence, right? Whether two events are independent. So two events are independent, where if the first event happening or not happening does not affect the probability of the second event happening. Another example of this is like, let's say for instance, let's say you have like a bag, right? And you have let's put a couple things in it. Here. Let's put 2 green marbles, okay? And then let's put 3 blue marbles. Okay? And so we can write what the probability, for instance, of getting a green marble, right? This would be equal to 2 over 5, right? And so the probability of not getting a green marble, right, would then be equal to 3 over 5, okay? But now let's say that you've picked out the green marble, right? And now you want to know what's the probability of getting a blue marble. Well, that probability depends on whether you got a green one or a blue one first, right? So let's say you get the green one, right? Then the probability of a blue marble, right, would be equal to 3 over 4. But let's say you didn't get the green marble. Okay, let's say you picked up a blue one instead. Now your probability of getting a blue marble is equal to 2 over 4. So this is an example of like two events that are not independent, because whether you get a green marble on your first one will affect your probability of now getting a blue one. So we have to have this data as well, which is what's the probability of both of these things happening. And in this case, this is going to equal to 30%, okay? So this is just, we're going to say is equal to 0.3, okay? So now, we can ask, what's the probability of getting a divorce given that dad cheated, as being this, which is the probability of getting a divorce and dad cheating, which is going to be 0.3, divided by the probability of event B, which is the probability that dad cheated, which is 0.55 in this case, okay? And so now from this, where's my mouse? Let's do 0.3 divided by 0.55. We get we get wow, we get 0.545. Okay. So now here's another question. Here's a little follow-up question you could do, which you could say, what's the probability that dad cheated given he's getting a divorce? So now we're kind of doing the opposite. So the first thing we were like, okay, what's the probability of a divorce given that they cheat? Now we're like, okay, what's the probability that he cheated given that they're getting a divorce? So now that you know, oh, they are getting a divorce, you can figure out what the probability is that dad cheated. And so we would write this one as probability of B given A. So this is, again, this is the event that already happened. and this is the event that we're trying to find the probability of. Okay. So this one, probability of B given A, this is, it follows the same formula. See how we have A here. So now we're going to say, instead of putting A, since this is B, we're going to say probability of B and A all over the probability of A. So see if people can notice how this formula worked. Rated. All right. Does this not make sense? Oh, I wasn't here. Oh, okay. Well, Expired Cipher was asking about divorce and cheating and like why his dad left or something. So what we ended up doing is we're doing a little conditional probability question. I know, because I was there. I'm not laughing. You're laughing. Yeah. Okay. All right. So here we can solve this one pretty quick here. Okay. So in probability, the probability of A and B happening is the same as a probability of B and A happening. Like if they switch, it's the same thing. The ordering doesn't really matter. Okay. So we already know that the probability of A and B is 30%. So that means that the probability of B and A is also 30%. Okay. So this we're going to say, okay, cool, 0.3. And now we divide this, instead of dividing this by the probability of B, we divide this by the probability of A, which again was, let's see, probability of A was 42%, so 0.42. Okay, and now we can divide these two numbers together. So we get 0.3 times 0.42. Oh, okay. Expired Cipher. No. Keep it PG, guys. Keep it PG, guys. Can't say you actually fuck someone. I gotta delete your message. Yeah, all good. Just don't be explicit. You can say that. Well, actually, I don't know. Just don't say you fucked his dad. Please. Okay. So this ends up being 0.714. Okay. So here we can see that the probability of getting a divorce, given that the dad cheats, is 54%. But the probability that dad cheated, given that he's getting a divorce, is higher. That's actually 71%. Okay, touch your butts. That's close. Okay. Expired Cipher. Does that Expired Cipher? Does that answer your question of why your dad left you?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Okay. Bomby Boy, does that make more sense for you with conditional probability? Bro, is you all right? Yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, I'm glad I learned about the divorce rate in America and other things. Also, that so many dads cheat. Holy shit, 55%. That's huge. I guess we're not probably made to be monogamous creatures or something. Yeah, #1 teacher on the planet. Nice. Okay. Bum. I guess. Define cheating. Yeah, I know. Yeah, well. Definitely got. I wonder how they define cheating. Wives will have a 50% chance of the husband staying while cheating. That is good for them. Oh man. Okay. All right, we still got 15 minutes left. Rated and Expired Cipher. Well, I know Expired Cipher did. I know you did the challenge problem. So we're gonna have another challenge problem coming up. Yeah, all good. Yeah, what's up, Sore, dude? How's your aunt's place? Oh, Sore. Also, remember that. So what do you have to do, Sore, when you come to office hours the week after playing a Warzone game with another person? What do you have to do? Got there you go. Very nice. Yes, you do have to claim your coin. You got to claim your coin. Yeah. So Sore, claim your coin. You just gotta say, just claim your coin. Jack was in, dude. Did Jack claim it? Yeah, I saw Jack here at least, but I haven't seen Seaweed. You just have to tell me right now. Just tell me that you want to claim it. So that's literally all you have to do. I want that PS5. Expired Cipher. We do have it. We literally we have the PS5 in hand, dude. There you go. Thank you. There you go, Sore. Nice. I do like the manners, dude. Ooh, wow. Ooh, he's almost up to 15. Sore's almost at that second reward, dude. Nice. Yeah, chill. Yeah. Y'all need to remember that Sore is mod god, so. How do I get more Instagram followers like Dr. Gold? Ooh, that's a good question. That's a good question. Well, Michael, I think you saw that this weekend. I saw you going up to a bunch of girls and saying, "Hey, yo, let's exchange Instagrams." That's honestly one of the best ways to grow followers on Instagram is to just go meet people. Just go out and meet people. Honestly, exchange information, whatnot. Yeah, unless your phone is broken, it is slow. I mean, okay, if you want like explosive growth and whatnot, the way to do it is to post cool content and use the right hashtags. Is what it is. So here we can do a little example of this. That's cool. We can show what I used to do. See my here we go. This is an example of my Instagram. I have to log in. What, really? It's lame. I won't be able to do that. Really? I don't want to log in. No. What's my see? Honestly, this is the issue. Is that like, I don't. I think I do know my password, but then it's gonna ask for two-factor authentication, and I don't have a phone that works. So, I'm trying not to trigger the Instagram gods. Let me think. How I can do this. I'm gonna need that username and password. I bet you do want my username and password, dude. Here, one sec. I can do it this way. Let's go to my profile. So here's an example of a post that got some decent engagement. Let's see.
Do you understand? I'm not. Damn.
What's up, dude?
Bro, I swear, you don't understand. I ain't home right now.
Yeah, I know. You're at your aunt's, dude. You're at your aunt's place, dude. Yeah, one sec. Let me, I think I can do it this way. Here, I can probably throw this in real quick. I got it. One sec. I got a grant presenter to Geo. Okay, here we go. Be nice to each other. No saying fuck you to each other. Come on. Be nice. Okay. Here's an example of a post, Michael. It's a pretty cool post, right? This is a pretty cool guy. Look at this. Look at this guy. Yes, yeah. Also, no homophobia, guys in the chat. Be nice. So this is an example. I got some decent engagement, right? You know, a couple hundred likes and whatnot. So the key thing here is to post. The first thing you got to do is you got to post cool content. Yeah. No. Expired Cypher, you have to quit being homophobic, dude. He said he was happy, which is fine. You called him gay for wanting a PS5. So you can't put, actually, what's the limit in the number of hashtags? I think it's like 10 or 15 or something. It does mean happy, yes, yeah, but actually use it as happy. Okay, I know you guys are joking. Good question. So this changes all the time, actually, because Instagram does change their algorithm with what the algorithm is always changing. So this is why it's a cat and mouse game is what it is. To my best knowledge, when I did it, the thing I would do is I would put it in the post, and put it at the bottom here, yeah, you like the drip, dude? Yeah, the drip, right? Yeah. The key thing here, the first thing is to post a cool photo that people like. You know, this is a pretty cool photo of Mycicle here, wearing some drip. He's wearing some drippery. You know, he's doing some cool stuff. And then the other thing is to put appropriate hashtags. So these are examples of some hashtags. First one I put was Gold Life because like that's kind of that's my account, and that's what we're kind of promoting. And then we have ShipFam. So ShipFam refers to other people who would have been at this event. And so that's a way for people to find you and discover you because they're going to be looking up that hashtag as well. I also put like some stuff with gold, like gold jacket, 24 karat, you know. So people who like gold will probably end up seeing this post. And then I put some DJs that were at this event, like Zoo and Chami, EDM. You know, this was music we were going to. These are hashtag Me Too. Did I put Me Too in there? I don't think I put Me Too. The Me Too is, yeah, don't do that hashtag. You'll get different people on your stuff. But this is the way. And actually, what you want to do is you want to switch it up. When choosing hashtags to put on your posts, you want varying degrees of engagement. So, for instance, I wish I could see this. Let me think. How could I do this? Because they're gonna make me log into Instagram. I really don't want to log in Instagram. Can you look up hashtags here? One sec. There's a way to do this. Yeah, this is it. Okay. We go Instagram.com/explore/tags, and then we can look up a hashtag, for instance. So let's see if this works. Cool. All right. So guys, this is an example of, this is how you can do, so little social media, science here. Okay. This is how you can look up how many posts are involved with a certain hashtag. So if you just go to Instagram.com/explore/tags, oh wait, you guys can't see this because, one sec. Let me put this on web browsing. There we go. But here, for example, you can put in a hashtag. So let's say, for instance, hashtag gold. Do you see how hashtag gold has 68 million different posts? It's okay, Michael. It doesn't really matter per se if you put it in the comments or in the post. I tended to put it in the post, but what you want to do is you want to put in hashtags that have varying like levels to the number of posts. So, something very specific could be like gold jacket, for instance. See how gold jacket only has 16,000 posts? That would be an example of a pretty low engagement hashtag, but you want to have a few of those as well. You want some low engagement ones, you want some mid-level engagement ones, and you want some really big engagement ones to get like a full spectrum of people looking at your stuff. So Gold Jacket would be a good example of a kind of a low one that is very specific, right? You know, these are very specific posts. And if your post does well enough, you know, you'll end up on the what we'd say the top posts for this, which is great for getting new followers and stuff. Yeah, exactly. How common it is. Yeah. Boobs. I don't see any boobs. I don't know you guys are talking about boobs. Let's see. How many does Gold Life have any posts? I'm curious. Like I haven't been posting that much honestly on it. No, that's no results. Yeah, see. Yeah, even Gold Life isn't even that big yet, but this one should have some. Really? Okay. Now Instagram's being mad at me. That's what they're doing. Instagram will do this sometimes. It's called like you're getting like kind of shadow banned, where they just won't let you do things. Like, there we go. Here, Gold Life. This is 1,000. You know, and so I do pretty good for hashtag Gold Life, right? I have a couple posts here that are in the top posts. All this stuff is just garbage. This is the most recent stuff. Here's some other cool ones. Yeah, you know. Pretty cool car and stuff. But yeah, that's how you do hashtag research, and that's a very good way in order to get like followers on your Instagram. Is first you got to produce content, you got to post cool photos and stuff, and second is, you know, find hashtags that are related to the stuff you're posting so that you can get other people in. Dr. Gold has man boobs. I don't have man boobs. What? Man boobs. I guess I kind of have man boobs, but they're not like flabby man boobs. Those are called pecs. I do have pecs. I'll give you that. Yeah. It's expired cipher, dude. Boncoin Bank told me to. Man. Okay. All right, we're almost done with office hours here. Does anyone else have any other quick questions about math, science stuff? Raiden and Cypher, you guys have always been enjoyable in the chat. Get to the games already. Okay, yeah. Do you guys want to play some Warzone? I'll play some Warzone with you guys. It's it'll be recess. Okay. Okay. So also we're gonna have another weekly set of challenges. This week they're gonna be over exponentials and whatnot. I wanted to go over them today, but we went over some other stuff. If you guys need help with them and whatnot, you should ask on Friday. Friday will be the open day for you guys to ask about how to do the challenge questions. Yeah, there you go. Help and stuff. Thank you everyone for coming to office hours. Thank you for coming to the summer camp involved. What? Yeah, expired. You got a question? You got a little bit of time here. You got a minute. Ask it quick. When do we do Fortnite? Ooh, okay. We could start doing Fortnite this week, honestly. I have it downloaded. I've just never played it. Oh, I did get that creator code that you guys told me to do. Okay, nice. So I do have that. I did do the creator code, and I think I have it, honestly. So, yeah, let me make sure actually I have that. What was it? It's under Epic, right? Support a creator. Let's see if we have that. Do we have that engaged? Okay, nice. Yeah, okay, cool. We actually have it. We have that set up. We actually do. So, this is something we'll get into. Let me I probably have it here somewhere. So, we do have a creator code for support a creator. So, if you guys are on Fortnite or whatnot, and you want here, let me, what was it? Here it is. So you guys did tell me about this support a creator thing with Fortnite. So we do have a creator code. It's actual education. If you guys are buying anything, the community is toxic. Well, we're not toxic, so I mean, hopefully we can fix that. You know, how many people do we need in order to play Fortnite? Like to play like a customs match? Like if I want to just play just us, how many do we need? Depends. Yeah, how did you know rating it is? Yeah. 16. Okay. So do you think we could get 16 of you guys to play Fortnite? I know there's probably at least 2 here, right? And then I could play 3. And then whoever else wants to play. Okay, cool. All right, well, let's look into that this week. Maybe we'll set up a little Fortnite tournament for Saturday. This coming Saturday. Oh, shit, I'm going to be out this weekend at a wedding. Maybe later in the week then. Yeah. Yeah, let's look into it, dude. I'm down. I have it installed. I'm always down to play new games. But yeah, you guys let us know. Again, always say things in the suggestion box and whatnot, and we'll get things going. Yeah, 16. I'm down with that. I think we can do that. Okay. It's up to 16 is what it is? No, up to 100, right? Yeah. You guys be nice to each other, Jesus. Be nice. Okay, so make me hot stuff. Now we're gonna do recess for you guys that want to play Warzone with us. I'll be in the recess channel. I'm down to play with you guys. Until next time, again, Team B, your office hours are on Wednesday, and then for everyone else who wants to hop in, Friday is kind of open, do whatever. So feel free to hop in there. We will see you guys around. Hope you had a fun